Hi everyone, so it's time to open the calendar for day 7 and LH Cosmetics. Let's open that first and then we're going to go to Caia Cosmetics one. So number 7. Oh, we have a sharpener. I like this one. I do have it and I think it's a really good product. I lose these very fast, so I am going to keep mine because I can never have enough of those. Number 8. No, no, not that. Number 7 for Caia Cosmetics one. This one is huge. Ooh, Skin Boost Sheet Mask. Like I said in the first video, I haven't tried any skin product or skincare product. Not skin product, skincare product from Caia Cosmetics. And I'm very excited to try this. This is the full package. It's actually five masks in here, and I love sheet masks. I think they are very hydrating and easy to work with. So we have 5 different. Definitely going to try one tonight. Like that a lot. So it's for normal skin. I have combination skin, but I think it will be fine for me to use that. So see you tomorrow.